What's his name again?
Imo.
Imo. Yeah, Imo. Yeah, don't eat my finger, eat the watermelon. There you go. Does he just lick it? Or is it gonna...
No, he will eat it too. That's so delicious. You take a video?
Yeah.
He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah. He keeps licking my finger and then realizing it's not watermelon. There we go.
Oh my god, Cooper, you're hilarious. Coopy's having fun, huh? Hi, Coop. You love it, huh? Give me another push. There you go. Oh god, you're scaring me. You want to get down? Okay.
Are you taunting her? Monty? Look at the tail. Hi. Hi. Oh, what a cutie, Monty. Oh, don't bite at me. Monty's tail really flapping now. I'm surprised Monty's not trying to move.
Waffles is just beating her up.
Hey, what's wrong? Hi, what a good girl you are.
Boah, sind die flink, ey. Oh! Ja, Mann, das hat einen riesen Satz gemacht und ist voll aus dem Fenster gesprungen.
Oh, мальчик, мальчик. Подожди. Покажи, Олег, покажи еще. Вот, удочки возьми. Удочки возьми, Олег. Покажи, открой руку, открой руку. Сейчас, дочка.
Наглая какая.
Да, не дам. Дочке надо, ска.
Планет НАСА в Хьюстоне. Смотрите далее. Синоптиков постоянно ругают за ошибки. Проблема вовсе не в людях, в метеозонах. Д-30 – это такой материал. Вот видите, стукнули по нему молотком. Палец остался в целости и сохранности. Если вы не видите это своими глазами, можно было бы подумать, что это что-то из области фантастики. Реальный мир вряд ли. Цыгане не умели заниматься крестьянским трудом, да и работать от зари до зари не хотели. Напоминаю сегодняшний вопрос, какого пола черноморский окунь, ну и в качестве подсказки скажу вопрос с подвохом.
What's up, y'all? This is Caboose. We got Night Owls 4 coming at you live and direct. I got my homeboys on the track, Man-Child and Plato. Check it out, y'all. Come on, take your chances. Knuckle up, double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya. Come on, take your chances. chances. Double up for the snake eyes. To the face, cause I'm last in the race when it comes to catching a break. And I'm sketching the pain that remains unnamed. Trying to find peace in a world where there's not much to gain. I got a pocket full of change and I've yet to use it. A life full of light, but I kept it exclusive. Some wisdom and knowledge from these cuts and bruises. A taste of reality, I came to the conclusion. Who am I fooling? This life is awkward. To get in where you fit in with the right posture, I'm not sure, that's a lot to hold. When you're stuck in the rain saying I told you so. Shoulders hung low, with your face to the pavement. Trying to find the courage and retract your statements. And be patient until it's my turn to keep living life and let my passion burn.
Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya. Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will.
One strike and I'm bursting a fight, learning to write wrongs in a song when I turn it on bright. On sight to circumnavigate the circle of life. Distract you with the left and then I'm working it right. Get you addicted like a crack fiend slurping a pipe. Not worth the piece of paper that I printed on. Get it on, slow in the beginning, but I finish strong, brother. Trinitron, clear water, kick step crusher. All up in the structure, penthouse to the gutter. Touch a couple levels on my way to knuckle up. A sucker duck fell, I guess he wasn't quite tough enough. Much is made of nothing on purpose. Caboose, hope the long hard wait was worth it. Perfect.
Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya. Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya high.
My name's the gosh dang, and homies keeping Big Josh hanging, praying for the big time. This time it's automatic, sink life by the gums, go at it. Man, I like where I had it. But decision song one proved to be the wrong one. I am not done, my God is awesome. I play this rap like a gamble, breaking out the chains and the shambles until it dismantles. What they calling the bomb, it's really far from. They playing sitcom with an everyday time slot. My rhyme got distinction, plus my spider sense got an inkling. The godly thinking could sink in. Maybe this weekend will be the time we end the pretend to cease and desist. All that exists we all miss. Pick the dice up and shuffle your wrist. Now sing this.
Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya. Come on, take your chances. Double up for the snake eyes. Life's all about the chances. Some will swing low, some will take ya high, some will take ya high.